Hello there, this is Gordon, and you're watching How to with 240. Today we're going to talk about Wi-Fi extenders. The good, the bad, and if they're done right, they work pretty dang good. But the problem is most people don't put them in right, okay? So here's a Wi-Fi extender. Here's what they look like. What they look like, I'm pointing in the wrong spot here. So over here on my other monitor, I got some Wi-Fi extenders up here, okay? Shrink me down a little bit so you can see the screen. So we have these Wi-Fi extenders. This is what they look like. You take it, you plug it into the outlet, and it grabs the signal from your main router that is giving out IP addresses for the house. It's in control. And it is giving out IP addresses. It finds this little extender thing here, and it says, oh, here you go. Here's an IP address for you. Okay. So the extender then takes that IP address and the Wi-Fi signal and boosts it out and makes the signal around that little box, 100%. In theory, that is a great idea. But this is how they actually work. We're going to use an example of you have a router over here in your living room, next to your TV, okay? So by your TV in your living room, let's say you have a 100 meg system. So you have a 100 meg download and 100 meg upload from your provider. Okay, so at the TV, you're sitting there on your phone, Facebook, blah, 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 and you do a speed check. Say you're getting 90 by 90. 90 meg down, 90 meg up, okay? Now you go to the back side of the house, back by your master bedroom, or maybe you got a brother-in-law living out in the trailer off on the other side of the garage, and you want to get signal to him. Whatever. So you think, oh, I'm going to put an extender in the master bedroom or extender out there in my brother-in-law's trailer. Well, no, that's not how it works. That is not how it works. Let me explain to you why. So over here by the TV, you got your router. Let's go halfway back to the master bedroom. Let's say the hallway. Take your cell phone and do bring up your Wi-Fi on your cell phone. Look at the signal strength of your Wi-Fi. Get in a good spot and then do a speed check. Go to fast.com. That is Netflix's server. They'll give you an actual good speed test of what you're getting. And walk around your house and see where you get the best speed, okay? Now, back in your master bedroom, so if you're getting 100 meg here by the TV, back here at the master bedroom, you're probably going to get 15 maybe, okay? Let's example, 15 meg. So if you put a booster way back here in the master bedroom at 15 meg, you're going to basically be producing a bad signal, okay? The signal has been weakened, has degenerated all the way down to get to the back of the house, okay? So yeah, in the back of the house, you plug that thing in, and it says, yeah, I'm getting full service. This is full bars. I got 4 bars here. It's great. Well, yeah, but you're only getting 10 meg. Well, that's because the signal strength from the router over here at the TV can't make it back there, so you're basically reproducing a bad signal. Take that extender back towards the TV, towards the router, to where the signal is better, and plug it in there. And then go back and check the TV or the master bedroom. And I bet if you had 100 here and you plug that in the middle, you're probably getting 40 or 50 back here now. So plug that extender in the middle of the house where you have good signal. Or maybe just past the middle of the house where you have good, just play with the numbers with your meg and see where you want to put that. But that is the biggest problem that most people have with an extender is they think, oh, we have no signal out here in my office. I have no signal. I'm going to put an extender here in the wall. Well, I have very, very, very bad Wi-Fi from inside the house to here. So I'm just producing shit. I'm reproducing a bad signal. Yes, it says it's a great signal. I have great signal here. I have great strength in my signal, but it's a bad signal getting to it. So it's amplifying a bad signal. Hope you got that in your head. Hope I pounded that in hard enough. All right, guys. How to with 240. Go up. Give me a thumbs up. Got any questions? Leave it on a comment. Have a good afternoon.